If you have been searching online on ways to make money online in 2026 and beyond, in this video, I'm going to show you ways that I've personally used to make money online through years. And these are simple ways that you can be able to just spend a little time every day to make money online without any capping. So you can make as much money as your effort allows. My name is Anne, and I mainly do three things online. I'm an online entrepreneur. I run an online business. I have an e-commerce store, and I have a store that also sells digital products. The other thing that I do is affiliate marketing, which I'm going to talk about. And I'm also a freelancer as a virtual assistant, so mainly dealing with podcasting and creating and selling courses online. So I'm a virtual assistant also. Now, before we start, I want to say that this is not a financial guarantee. Earnings in any online venture varies depending on your effort, the product, and the method you choose. Now, the first method is dropshipping, and I'm showing you things that personally I have used to make money online, and I still do. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is where you approach a business owner and tell them, I don't have a store. Of course, you don't have a store, you just want to make this business online. Ask the owner of the business, a manufacturer or a wholesaler, to give you a discount in their products. So, for example, if you approach someone who sells shoes and have an agreement with them that every shoe that you sell on their behalf, you'll be making maybe $2 per shoe. So what happens is that you create a WhatsApp group. You can sell through a Facebook page or a TikTok page or Instagram. You can also create an e-commerce store. Then every time someone buys from you, you take that money and send it to the wholesaler. So in this case, this wholesaler is the one to ship the product for you. Or if it's someone or a business that is within your locality, you can actually send your rider there or a delivery person to go pick that item and ship it on your behalf. And of course, making sure that you've done your math well so that you're able to take care of the shipping cost or the delivery fee and still make a profit. I hope it's clear on dropship. So basically, that's how dropshipping works. You can also be able to sell to clients who are abroad through a site that I'm going to be showing you right now. So what you do, you approach again this customer, but this time online, and be able to purchase a product which your client has already paid for through your e-commerce store. Send these details to the seller. This is an online seller, to ship it to the client. Okay, now let me show you Alibaba, a good place that you can get started from. Let me show you how dropshipping works with some sites. Like this is Alibaba. If you go to Alibaba and search for a product, so our example is dog sofa. So you will see. Okay, let me show you. Now, this is an example of a dog sofa. This will cost you, depending on the number of the pieces that you're taking. So that's 3,671 in Kenya shillings. That's about $3.2. If you go to AliExpress, search for the same kind of product. It may not be actual, but I want you to get the idea. It goes for 1,750. Okay, so you are buying from AliExpress this product, and then you buy. What will happen is that you will be shipping this to the client's address, because the client will give you the address. Okay, this product is going for between this and 1,000 and something. Now, for you to know the margin that you need to make, you just of course need to do a research online and see how other people are selling this kind of products. So like if you go to Amazon, you'll find such products are retailing for between $25, $18, $39. So definitely you're able to make a good margin out of it. And those people who sell like through their stores like Shopify store, you will find them even making bigger margins. But the trick of this business being successful, you need to really niche down. Like for example, if you decide that you want to deal with pets, you need to niche further down and say that you want to deal with dogs, dog pets or cat pets, or whichever pet that you want. Whatever niche that you need, you want to go with, you need to be really very specific so that you gain traction online and you're able to build an audience that is really interested in the specific products that you'll be selling. So that's how dropshipping works. The next way you can make money online in 2026 and beyond is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product, be it a physical product or a digital product like a software, and make a commission out of it. The difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping is that in dropshipping, you deal with the customer directly. So you're the one to make sure that the product gets to the client. You're the one to handle customer service. Basically, it's like you're the owner of that business. It's just that you don't own those products. In affiliate marketing, your job is to refer someone to the owner of the product, and they deal with shipping, they deal with customer service, they deal with storage. So all those things and more is on them. So your job is just to keep sending leads, send people. Some buy, some just check and go, but you keep sending people there. That is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is really good. It doesn't cost you anything to get started. Even drop shipping, you just need to create a website. And it's also very good to have a website for your affiliate marketing. Otherwise, you can also market it using social media, and people are making a lot of money with affiliate marketing. I'd advise you that you go for products that especially softwares that will give you a 30+% of what you sell. Let me quickly show you an example of affiliate marketing site. This is Digistore24. It's free to sign up. You can sign up and you can use your phone to market these products. So once you sign up, you'll go to Marketplace and then you will find a product. Again, I said you need to niche down. You cannot be talking to everyone. You cannot be selling everything. So you need to niche down and say, this is the products that I want to be dealing with. So you come here, get a product, copy promo link, take it to your website and start creating content and sending people to your link. And that's how you make money as an affiliate. You can also go to Amazon and sign up as an affiliate and be able to make money. Like you can see, I am an affiliate with Amazon. And all you just need to do is sign up. Amazon will give you 180 days to prove that you can be their affiliate. If you make a sale within those 180 days, then you officially become their affiliate. Let's go to the next one. Now, this is my favorite. Over time, I've realized that the best way to make money online is a method that does not limit you. With digital products that you can create and own them, or resell other people's digital products. It does not limit you. You can make as much money as possible. You guys are making money online using digital products. And what's a digital product? A digital product is anything, be it a software, be it a course, an AI workflow, AI avatar creation, templates, anything that you can create online and be able to transfer it to your customer online really gives you no limits. And the best thing about this is that you don't even have to create these products. These products are there online. You can buy, you can edit them, and resell them as your own. You can put your name, you can put your logo, you can add your knowledge there, you can add your experience there. I mean, you can do anything that you want to do with it. If you have other products, you can buy and add them into your other products. You can give it away to your customers if you already have like students, if you own a course. So digital products is a big way of making money online. You can turn your current or previous struggles, and you don't have to have overcome the struggles, turn them into a course, a mini guide, an ebook, and train people how to solve that exact problem that you previously had or whatever that you're overcoming, and show them how to do it themselves. There are people struggling and would want to know how to quit smoking, for example. And if this is a journey that you know you have walked, you can teach someone else how to do it. You can create a guide, a short course. And by the way, the thing is, if you're creating a course, you need to be very specific, or basically even like an ebook guide. You need to be very specific in solving one problem, just one problem. And that's how you make money with digital products. Now, I want to show you how you can be able to get digital products and resell them as your own. You're able to go into Canva and edit these products and add your name and your logo, put a price that you want, and resell them as your own. Let me show you how. Now, this is a list of evergreen digital products, and evergreen it means these are products that are always on demand because people need this in their businesses, at home, with their children, with their families. These are products that are used daily. So I'm going to leave this link at the description so that you can go ahead and get it and get started. You guys, you need to make money online this year. So this is a 12 product bundle which you can edit, own them, and resell them. And you get the license to resell this. This is a small business bundle. It contains all this that you can see here that business people need in their everyday operations. Then we have the manifestation bundle. This is a big niche manifestation bundle. You can even decide that you want to concentrate on manifestation bundle. Take this bundle, break it down, sell it in different products, or resell it as a bundle and make money out of it. You can actually, if you're in manifestation, you can add your knowledge inside here and resell it. This is kids bundle. You get summer planner, you get toddler workbooks, you get number tracing, you get mandala coloring worksheets. This is Airbnb hosting. You get that guide. You're able to resell it to people who want to start Airbnb managers. Sell this product to them. Mastering Etsy and Pinterest. You get to learn all that in this one bundle. That's a wedding bundle. This is a productivity bundle. You also get to learn how to sell digital products. So you also get to learn how to use this specific product. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have an offer at $17. This is an offer that has been going on for a few weeks, and we're gonna be extending it for a few more weeks. So you guys, you need to go ahead and get this. Let me just show you what is inside, what you expect. Like for example, if you go to that bundle, and inside the bundle you get the small business bundle. Small business bundle contains all this. Okay, so let me show you an example of this. So you come here and then click on edit, or just click on this. You will just be required to have even a free Canva account, and then click on edit template. it will open in Canva. It will open in Canva, and once it opens in Canva, it's yours. You can use it in your business. You can use it to resell. Now, if you want to resell it, you will just come here at share. You'll come at share, and then you'll create a custom link. Create a custom link. Once you create a custom link, you will get a link which now you can even create a Word document and paste them there. Then you write, this is a Facebook post templates, and then the link. So when someone clicks on that, this will open and they can be able to use it in their business. If you have any question, go to the comment section and leave your question there. So all these are in Canva editable templates. So you can see everything is there in Canva. And then what we have done is included bonus, like you get to learn YouTube growth. So you can learn how to use YouTube to grow your business. You can learn how to use ChatGPT. You learn how to resell digital products. You get to learn how to do faceless marketing. So you get a faceless bundle. And all these are free extras. You learn how to do email marketing. We're giving you a lot of free stuff here. You also learn how to do affiliate marketing, all this, and a lot more. So we keep on adding products here, we keep on adding knowledge here, because our aim is to help as many people as possible to make money online. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I'm going to leave links at the description. Go ahead and especially get this bundle, get this product, because we have an offer. This is an offer that we're running. It's not gonna be there for so long, but you get a lot. All this is worth thousands of dollars, and we're letting you have it at $17 only. So if you want to make money online through digital products, you can actually resell this product, or even learn how to create yours and sell online. All right, wish you all the best, and if you have any question, don't forget to ask at the comment section. Subscribe, follow me, and I'll see you on the next one.